Nigeria is a land of dreams. Our young people are vibrant and ambitious. They are eager to build a better future. But times are tough. The economy is unpredictable. The Naira faces challenges. Young Nigerians need new ways to achieve financial freedom. This is where Forex trading comes in. It offers incredible potential. With Forex, you can trade currencies. You can profit from market fluctuations. You can earn in stronger currencies like the US dollar. This can be life-changing, especially with the Naira's volatility. Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It really requires knowledge, discipline, and a sound strategy. But with the right guidance, it can be a path to financial independence. It can empower our youth. It can help them overcome economic obstacles. It can fuel the Nigerian dream. Meet Jeffrey Benson, a visionary leader in Forex trading. He understands the struggles of young Nigerians. He is passionate about empowering them through financial education. Benson believes that everyone deserves a chance to succeed. He founded FirePips Forex Academy to make Forex trading accessible to all. Through his academy, he provides comprehensive training programs. He teaches practical skills and strategies. He emphasizes risk management and responsible trading. Benson is not just a teacher, he is a mentor. He has built a thriving community of traders. They support each other, share knowledge, and celebrate successes. He uses the FirePips FX platform to connect with traders. He shares valuable insights and resources. What sets Benson's approach apart? He focuses on practical education. He believes in learning by doing. He teaches students how to analyze the markets. He shows them how to identify trading opportunities. Risk management is paramount in Benson's strategy. He knows that Forex trading involves risks. He equips his students with the tools to manage those risks effectively. He emphasizes the importance of protecting their capital. He teaches them to trade responsibly. Trading psychology is another crucial aspect of Benson's teachings. He understands that emotions can impact trading decisions. He helps his students develop a winning mindset. He teaches them to control their emotions. He guides them to make rational decisions. Jeffrey Benson is a true inspiration. He is a testament to the power of education and determination. He is transforming lives by making financial literacy a priority. His work is crucial, especially in the face of Nigeria's economic reality. Benson's message is clear. Financial empowerment is within reach. Forex trading can be a path to a brighter future. It offers hope and opportunity. By embracing practical education, risk management, and a strong trading psychology, young Nigerians can unlock their full potential. They can navigate the complexities of the Forex market. They can achieve financial independence. They can build a stronger future for themselves and for Nigeria.